Hello everybody and welcome to our today's video. Today's lesson number 5 is Indefinite Articles in Spanish. So, what is an indefinite article in English? Can you answer this to me? Okay, I will tell you. Indefinite article in English is a. Indefinite articles are used in sentences where we generally don't define anything. This is a book. This is a table. This is a plant. In all of these sentences, we use a. These sentences did not define any of the W's, what, where, when, etc. None of the W questions were answered from these particular sentences. Hence, a was used in front of a noun. If there would have been any of the W's answered in the sentences, a would not have been used. So this was small explanation of indefinite article in English. So now it is very important to understand indefinite article in Spanish. But before that, small concept for all of you. All the indefinite articles, or in the future when we learn more articles, they all depend on the gender of the noun. So gender of the noun can be masculine, it can be feminine, like we have in Hindi. मेरी बुक, मेरी टेबल, मेरा पेड़. But why मेरी for the book, मेरी for the table and मेरा for the पेड़? Because they all have their own genders in Hindi. In the same way, all the nouns will have genders in Spanish. But we have a small twist. So we categorize the words when they are singular and when they are plural. So it will be masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural and feminine plural. Okay guys, so let's get started. Indefinite masculine singular article is un. For example, un vaso, a glass, un niño, a boy. So here it was indefinite article with masculine singular words. But how will you define it is a masculine singular word? So, a small concept again. Any word ending with an O is a masculine word. Next, una, feminine singular indefinite article. Example, una niña, una casa. Una niña is a girl. Una casa is a house. So Why and how do we define? That is, the noun is feminine. So, small concept again. Any word that ends with an A is a feminine word. Maximum of the times. There can be exceptions, but 99% of the times a word ending with A is feminine. Next, unos. Masculine, plural, indefinite article. Example, unos niños, unos vasos. Next, unas. Feminine, plural, indefinite article. Example, unas casas, unas niñas. So, we covered una, unos, unas. Four indefinite articles of Spanish. So, now in any sentence, any simple sentence, you will be able to put the indefinite articles. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and make us a big family of many people who want to learn foreign languages. And do follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. And I will see you in my next lesson. Keep watching our short feeds on YouTube Shorts. Bye.